first of all, I just run this. Okay, basically, update is that database is working now. Okay, database is working, and then after that it's the server. The server, where is it? It's here. Using some like boot string stuff. Run. Okay, there you go. The server. Oh shit. There you go. Server is running. Okay, and now there you go. It's a emulator. Okay, log in. Okay, in the login page, got the password. Um, and then if you just look at the code, where's the login? There. Okay, so when you click login, it's gonna check if it's legit, right? So it's actually legit login now. If I have this one, which is the right password, it logs in. But if I log out and I put in the wrong password, like random thing, and it's like incorrect, and then if I go back to use the right password, it logs in again. So basically the login works. The server is working, database is like everything's connected. Now I just gotta like do these kind of stupid stuff. Oh, and also like the events and like the routes, they're all like persistent now. They have persistent storage. If I delete it, then like it's also gonna get stored if I log out. Like I close the app, right? Why is Pay there? And I open it again, and then you see like it's still there, persistent serialization of objects. That's really good. So what I'm gonna do next is now I actually have to do like this stupid thing of navigating to the next event, which is when I click this, and then it's gonna show the route. Wait, what? Where did it go? There. And then it's gonna, nope. um what was I, wait, I have fucking dementia. uh Oh, I think it's like I have to display how to get there or something like that. But yeah, that's the next thing. It's like when I click, it's gonna have navigation to the next route. I mean the next place, which is basically like the same as this. Wait, why is both selected? This is wrong. Um, what the hell? What the hell is this bug? Um, Okay, anyways, I'm gonna fix that, and then I'm gonna like add the room navigation as well, which is basically the same thing. And also I have to do like annoying stuff like registration, and all those kind of dumb stuff. And also the API has to get stuff, for the building info and stuff. Anyways, it's due in 10 days, so there's a lot of stuff to do.